Acidic water doesn't just make your water taste bad, but it also increases the risk of harmful contaminants leaching into your well water. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the best acidic neutralizers to increase the pH level for healthier and better tasting water. As always, we'll include additional information and exclusive discounts on these systems in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the SpringWell Calcite pH Neutralizer System. The SpringWell Calcite pH Neutralizer was designed to address acidic water with pH ranges between 6 and 6.5. Acidity is a common problem, especially from well water sources, and this can cause serious damage to your appliances, plumbing system, and of course, your health. With more than 20 years of experience in the business, SpringWell is one of the best brands for water filtration systems, including acid neutralizers on the market. This pH neutralizer utilizes a state-of-the-art system that allows well water to get in direct contact with calcium carbonate media that will dissolve the calcium and raise the pH of the water. This doesn't only make your water more neutral, but it'll also help to improve its taste because acidic water tends to be bitter. What makes the SpringWell Calcite pH Neutralizer unique is that it's very easy to install and control because of its Bluetooth-enabled electronic head. The tank can also be calibrated to fit the number of bathrooms that need to be supplied with water in your house, since it's a whole house system. Of course, the SpringWell pH Neutralizer can also guarantee a consistent water pressure, even during peak hours because of its high flow rate design. The pros are that it balances well water pH by releasing calcium carbonate. It's got a Bluetooth-enabled electronic head that can be connected to the phone or tablet to view usage data. It can be calibrated based on the number of bathrooms in the house, and it's built in the USA with a lifetime warranty and 6-month money-back guarantee. The cons are that you need to load the calcite into the tank, and installation may require a professional if you're not DIY inclined. Next is our close runner-up, the SoftPro pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter. The SoftPro pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter is an innovative system that can neutralize highly acidic well water with a pH range between 5.5 and 6.5. One of the differences between this acidic neutralizer and other products on the market is that it uses a combination of calcite and Corosex that works efficiently with pH levels of less than 6. The SoftPro pH Neutralizer also comes in different sizes, 1.5, 2, and 2.5 cubic feet to fit different sizing needs. Its 2.5 cubic feet configuration can provide neutral water for a large house without a consistent flow rate of 15 GPM. So you can really guarantee its capability to supply your entire household with water, even if everyone's using the tap or bathroom. This acid neutralizer also features a programmable control valve that will help you maintain the right pressure in the tank and even allow it to backwash itself. The SoftPro pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter comes with a 6-month satisfaction guarantee and a 7-year warranty, which makes it such a good investment, even if it's not the most expensive on the market. You even get free shipping if you purchase this acid neutralizer, which adds another value to your investment. The pros are it uses a combination of calcite and Corosex media. It's got a programmable control valve for maximum water efficiency. It's available in 3 different sizes to fit your needs. And it has a 6-month satisfaction guarantee and 7-year warranty. The cons are that it can be challenging to program at the beginning. It may require frequent backwashing, and it's not recommended for water pH levels below 5.5. Next is the best option for high acidity levels, the US Water System's Matrixx pH Balancing Calcite Neutralizer System. If you have a severe water acidity problem in your area, the US Water System's Matrixx pH Balancing Calcite Neutralizer System is perfect for you. Unlike your conventional acid neutralizer, this product can treat water with pH levels as low as 5.0, using its innovative calcite media. The acid neutralizer also has Bluetooth capability with a consistent water flow of 20 GPM for its larger tank. You also get to connect the tank to an app that makes it easier to monitor data without constantly looking at the tank itself. The Matrixx's tank and components are also approved by both the NSF and FDA, which means that you're getting one of the best quality acid neutralizers on the market today. The US Water System's Matrixx pH Balancing Calcite Neutralizer System may need to be professionally installed to make sure that there are no leaks, but it's easily programmable through the smart app that comes with the system. This acid neutralizer also requires very little maintenance, so you don't need to check it constantly. Although the Matrixx isn't the cheapest acid neutralizer on this list, you also get a lot of value from it because all of its features and 10-year warranty for its control valve and electronics. You also get a lifetime warranty on its tank. The pros are that it can treat well water with pH levels between 5 and 6.5. It uses calcite to neutralize water, but Coral-6 media can be added. It has up to 20 GPM flow rate with the bigger tank, and components are NSF and FDA approved. The cons? It's a more premium priced option, and it requires frequent backwashing for high acidity. Next is our best budget option, the Fleck 2510 SXT pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter. For proven performance without breaking the bank, there's the Fleck 2510 SXT pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter, which is well loved by consumers for its dependability. Designed to be a backwashing type acid neutralizer, Fleck uses a combination of calcite and magnesium oxide media to neutralize acidic water with pH levels between 5.5 and 6.9. You can choose from 2 different sizes of tanks to see which fits the needs of your home best. The Fleck Acid Neutralizer also offers a consistent water flow rate of 13 GPM, although water pressure may be affected if you have a large house with more than 4 bathrooms. This acid neutralizer may not be the most expensive one on the market, but it offers a lot of good value in terms of efficiency, durability, and performance. It's also very easy to install and operate, and every purchase comes with a 6-month satisfaction guarantee and a 5-year warranty on the control head. Perhaps the only downside to the Fleck pH Neutralizer Calcite Water Filter is that you can't operate it remotely, and it's also not ideal for use in extremely acidic water problems. But if you're looking for a well-priced acid neutralizer that can handle higher pH levels, this is definitely a great investment for you. The pros are that it uses a calcite and Coral-6-based media for maximum effectiveness. It's relatively inexpensive for all the features included. It comes in 2 different size configurations, and it has a 6-month money-back guarantee. The cons are it's not operable through an app, and it's not ideal for very bad pH problems. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss our upcoming videos on your favorite filtration products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.